welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. I went to buy nothing that is in here, but I had ideas. When I go to Dollar Tree, I don't really have a purpose for the most part, like 80% of it. And then I start seeing things and then ideas come to my head and then depending on what I got, because sometimes the Dollar Tree is kind of empty, sometimes it's full, so it depends when do I go. When they restock and all that. Today was Monday. Look at, I have cuernos in here. My gosh. So, it's Monday when I'm recording. The Monday that I went there. Dollar Tree. Before we get started, you can see that I have the Grinch books. Before our initial haul, I went on another day and I got these items. Look at this. I found all of the Grinch jumbo books. Look at this. I am so happy. Look at, there are 4, and I believe I got all 4 of them. I saw a lady in TikTok that did a craft with this one, with the cover of this book, and with a platter from the Dollar Tree. But look, all the pages from each book are different, and on the back is ornaments that you can collect. I'm thinking they're all different. They're all different. Look at, I haven't seen a repeat. I don't think so. Or else I would have spotted already. Look, more ornaments. And the last one here. The other 2 ornaments. They're all very different. I don't know if I'm going to give them to my children or not. But I love them. I love the Grinch. And it's definitely not a Dollar Tree. I don't think so. It's Dr. Seuss Enterprise, the Grinch. It could be also. But look at that. I love them. Look at that one. This one with Max. With the little girl, I can remember her name right now. And him snowboarding. Isn't that cool? Yeah. I initially went to the Dollar Tree to get these sponges because I'm teaching how to brush their teeth in a laminated paper. And I'm going to cut little pieces of this and put it on a big popsicle stick. And they can dry erase right and then erase it. But these are jumbo ones. Look at that. Jumbo ones. $1.25, of course. And I also found a good buy. These umbrellas. I hadn't seen these umbrellas there. They only had these 2 colors. Black and blue. I also found this one at the extra area. The $5 and more. This was $3. But I like, look at, it's a holly garland. What is this? And it has the jingle bells. It looks cute, doesn't it? And then passing by, I also saw this one. He's precious. It's a thank you card. There are 4 thank you cards in there. It says, bless you for your kindness. And then the flowers have little glitter. It's cute. Then I got this one for my daughter. I usually get my gifts, little things from there. And it's a good words and picture book. She likes graphic novels. And I want her to start reading more words in an actual line. And I wanted to get this other one. This is the Critter Club with this other one. But I only found this one. They have a hectic area on the book, like always. I found those. The other reason I went to the Dollar Tree besides the sponges were these baskets. These baskets are on the thin side. I wanted to go under a thing that I have over there in my kitchen for my coffee pots. So I got 2 of these. And I also went to get this tissue paper, which I use for my other stuff. Etsy's shop. And I like this one because it's very, you can use it for anything. It's white and little speckles. $1.25, of course. These were $1.25. As well as these. And the books, of course, were $1.25. And the umbrellas were $1.25. The garland was the only item that was $3. The umbrellas are good looking. Let me open the blue one so you can see really quick before we start with the other haul. I just didn't want to make a new video out of it. Look at this. You press it. There's that. So let me help myself with my knee. Look at that. See, it's a good extension, and then good coverage. I got these for my daughters for their school bag, for their backpack. So it's nice little umbrella and nice compacted. They can put it on the side. It's not heavy on the side of where the water bottle should go. So I thought it was very nice. Okay, now we can go ahead and get to the actual Dollar Tree haul. Thank you for watching. So first of all, I need to show you something that I gotta get to work, but some of these items that I have in here I'm gonna gift. So I wanted to show you. First of all, I'm gonna show you Christmas gift bags. I got a brain fart right there. Look at this one. This one's so cute. This one is like, I don't know. Can you tell? Can you? There you go. Glittery. You see that? Glittery. That one's cute. Then is this one, the bear, and you can see the cheeks and the scarf is glittery. And then this Merry Christmas. Look at that. The snow is glittery, and then all these little accents are foil. Very nice, very chic, very demure. And then there's this one. This is Merry Christmas as well. Merry Christmas. And of course, you can see the foil accents. I like it. I like it a lot. This one is my favorite. The Nutcracker, the little, this is like from the movie kind of, I feel like. They're like toys. Ballerina, the little mouse, gift, and drums. And then I got two bears. No, that's it. Those are for my bigger. They did have bigger ones, but bigger bags. I don't have the sign though, but yeah. And then I got two of these packets, which has two included, which I love. There's this packet with the gingerbread candy kind of thing, and then there's Santa on the back. This is glittery, and then this one, it says Holy Tolly Christmas, and then the letters are glittery. Can you tell? Hopefully you can tell. And then this one's plain. Merry Christmas. I can't read. Making spirits bright. I wish this one had the glittery things, but usually on the 2-pack, one of them has glitter and the next one does not. Okay, so the next items I got either for my daughters, which is stocking stuffers, and or mainly for the Elf on the Shelf stuff. So, and then I got a little gift for a student of mine. She's going to come and visit me, and I want to have a little gift for her. Yeah, because she went to another school. Either way. Okay, so first of all, look at this. It's a little snowman. It's an ornament, but it's an idea for the Elf on the Shelf. So, do you want to build a snowman? Oh, look, I'll show you this first, actually. I have postcards, gift cards. My brain isn't working right now. I'm trying to work. Look at this one. The Nutcracker. This one goes very well with that. With this one. Oh, yes. And of course, it has the envelope inside. I don't want to open it. They don't sing or anything. And look at this one. This one has a gingerbread house and the snowman. It says Merry Christmas. And it's like pop-up. Can you see the star and the thing? Is that one. And then there's this one, Merry Christmas, with the little card and the snowman thingy. Not the snowman, the gingerbreads. And then there's this gnomes. Look, this one, you can open it. This one's a little different. And it says, best wishes for a wonderful Christmas. Send with love. Send with best wishes for a wonderful Christmas spent with the ones you love. I can't read tonight. There is that one. Okay, now back to it. This one is little ornaments. They're little wood ornaments. I like that it has two for $1.25. Very nice. It is a snowman and it is wood, so they can color it and you can put a picture on it. And look at this is how the back looks. I had another one, but I'm literally going out through my thing. This is like an Elf on the Shelf idea. Then This ones I got for my younger daughter's class as one of the goodie bag items. These are 4 in a pack, and there's 16 kids in her classroom. This one is these with the nutcrackers and that, and then this one's like snowman and thing. You smack it and it pops into a little balloon, and it has the little, look, and you can see right here. You can smack it, and then you have a little balloon. I thought they were cute. My older daughter doesn't want no more to bring goodie bags, which is good for me for my cha-ching, but I don't like it. I like giving things. Okay, then there's this one. This is another idea for Elf on the Shelf. I can later maybe put another, like a whole completed thing. There's two. I have two daughters, $1.25. They can paint a little ornament. It's a little wreath and a little ornament. And a little tumbling tower Jenga, and I like that it had two-tone. This is for also Elf on the Shelf, and I don't like that now they're putting the 125 on printed in the items. Why? Okay, then I got these cello baggies. This is Santa and his friends, and then the snowman with the penguins. These are a 20 in the bag. They had other ones. They had like little zipper thing, but there were only 8 in it. Like, what happened there? Okay, the next item is this Elf on the Shelf little girl. I got this one for my student, part of her gift. Again, I don't like that it's printed in there, but whatever. She probably already knows it's from the Dollar Tree. It's cute. Then same for her gift. I got her these Pete the Cat flashcards. It has the side words, ABC and awards. It has 36 cards. And it's like this, look at alligator, and then the A for the alligator. And it also has sounds like robot. I like it, Pete the Cat. I also got her this 6 set of washable markers because I got her these, the Crayola markers and paint little. It's literally just white paint, but she has this to go with it. I also got her this little mini color pencils, the classic 8. These are only 6, these are 8, and I thought they were cute. With her, I also bought her these. These are the Disney Princess Fun in the Tub. 6 foam pieces. They can stick to the wall, but it's Disney. Ariel's my favorite, so I got her that one to include in her gift. And I also got her this Disney Pixar Coco book. I love this one. I have gotten this one before for my daughters. You literally have the entire movie in the book, and at the end there's like a little game. And I like the quality of the book. And giving her stuff because it's cool stuff, right? Okay, for those 2 items, I also got these for my daughters, and it's Ariel, and this is Gabby's Dollhouse, and this is the items. This is for $1.25 again. This one, it is peelable, so I like that one. Look, it's peelable. These are also for the Elf on the Shelf things, that mischievous little things that he's gonna be doing. So there's that one. And also I got this one. It says Christmas Kid Cookie Decorating. There's two cookies that they decorate. So of course they have the cookies, and they have the sprinkles and the red icing and the white icing. I've gotten this kit, not this one with the gingerbread. I've gotten the one with the gingerbread house, and there's 2 little gingerbread houses. Good, because they don't eat these cookies. They don't like it. They just like to do the craft and then toss it a few days later. You know what I mean? And $1.25 for this is very nice. There's 2 cookies in there. Pre-Christmas kid cookie decorating. I want this also for a mischievous thing for the Elf on the Shelf shenanigans. The next item, this is not Christmas related, but it's drop-ins. I only found one. I like this. It makes your toilet water blue, and it's from it's the dupe from Scrubbing Bubbles, but this is Johnson's Family Company. It could be the legit one. I can't remember. One in it for $1.25. It's good. And also for the last things, I also got my daughters one of these. They already have markers, so I didn't buy markers for them again. But this is also for one of the Elf on the Shelf mischievous little things that I have planned for them. Let me put some of the stuff back in the bag because they're falling. Then I got these. These were all the threes that they had. Look at this. There is this one, the magic snow globe with like princessy rainbow thing. And then there is this one, gnome and friends. And then there is happy holidays with the Christmassy one. And it literally has like games, coloring, the puffy stickers right at the front. Look at Maze. And then I got this one. I got this one for doing this one for the Elf on the Shelf items. I think they're the same kind of things. They could be a little bit different, like a word search. This is in a holiday wish kind of card. They can pop it out. There's more stickers on the back of this one, the green one. Let me see if there's stickers. Oh, yeah, there is stickers on the back of the blue one as well, with all the holiday things. And then the pink one also has all these shenanigans and a puzzle and door little knobs and more stickers on the back. Look at that. Cute, cute, cute. I like it. I like it. Well, I got these. One of these I'm going to gift it to... Oh, look at the back. It confuses me. The pink one, it looks just like the pink one, but it's the blue one. And the blue one looks like the pink one. And the green one looks like a red one, but there was no any other red one. But I like this. And one of these is for my student gift that I'm gonna give her. And yeah. Oh, one more thing. I think this is the last one. This is also for Elf on the Shelf activity is felt stickers, but they are gingerbreads. Gingerbread girls and gingerbread boys. There are 4 of them. They're foamy stickers, and I thought they were cute. And yeah, that is all that I got for you guys today from the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree haul. When you can, get to your Dollar Tree as soon as possible. That's when they're bringing out all the good stuff. Talking stuffers, the gifting paper bags, not the paper bags, and like school shenanigans, like to give your teacher for the cards, to give the students for your children's goodie bags and stuff like that, and any other thing that you have it right there. That is all that I have for today. I think everything's my favorite. I found really nice stuff, but probably these are the cutest. And the bath, this is a chiching, a very nice stocking stuffer. But other than that, that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't done so, please subscribe, and if you're there, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.